Good morning, homies. Today we are going to be doing 1,000 steps. The beginning is like right by a road, so you're going to be hearing a bit of that real quick. This was recommended by a co-worker, and it is called that because there is literally 1,000 steps. This is a heavily traveled one, so there might be a couple extra people in some of these shots, or there might be a couple of really good edits of taking people out of it. Good call in the hiking booth, Haley.
Hey, look, 100.
Oh yeah?
Right there, 100. Come on.
We're coming up on 200. I had to take a break. Look how steep this is. All right, well, the camera's lying. Right there's 200. You guys are gonna be famous.
Yeah. If I don't have like the best butt by the time I'm done here,
I'm keeping that part in.
do it.
I have a no. Whoa!
We're halfway there.
Woo!
Living on a prayer.
So we made it to the top. We got the 1,000 steps out of the way. Took a little bit of a break. I'm only going to be able to show you guys a little bit more because I left the batteries in the car along with the drone. So we're trying to save as much battery as possible till we get to the top and be able to show you. Check this view out. Look at that. Here we are at the top. We just finished, and This is the view we get. I'll show you here in a second. I think the other views that we actually just walked by are better, but still is like spectacular time to get up here. I only had about 4 heart attacks, so that's pretty dope. It was really nice to see a bunch of other people doing it too. A lot of other dogs out, and just people having a good time, sweating, coming up here to see this. Thanks for chilling.
Stay tuned.
Hell yeah. Get over here.